All right, so here we are, day 3, my PM routine. Now, use this only as a guide. By the way, say hello to my bathroom. You're joining me in my bathroom as I wash for the night. So tonight I'm sharing exactly what I do at night, step by step. Now, this is not about using my exact products that you're gonna see. It's about the order, the simplicity, and knowing when to stop. That's always been a tough thing for me in the past, but I am learning my lessons and I'm trying to help you along as well. So if you already have products that you love, by all means, you can use those. Like I said, this is just a guide of a step-by-step of how to use them and the order to use them in. So first off, if you are wearing makeup, obviously, Westmore Beauty Makeup Melter. This is my go-to. Not just because it's Westmore Beauty, but it's a phenomenal makeup remover. And the reason why it's winning so many awards, you can see it's a fine mist oil, gently removes the makeup, no pulling, no tugging, and because it's an oil-based, it really helps to add extra hydration. I even like to leave a little bit of excess on my skin. So you can see how it's removing my makeup from the day. I didn't have a lot on, but any little excess is gone. Essentially then, step 1 is going to be your cleanser. Now, right now with my cleanser, I am loving Dermatology. This is not a paid ad. This is genuinely, I bought this. It's their essential cleanser. So it's gentle. You can see right there. It doesn't strip my skin. It leaves it comfortable. And really just use whatever gentle cleanser you have. You can see, I just massage it in, always go down the neck, but use whatever you have. Just no scrubbing, no tools right now. Another important tip, you see I don't drag this on my face. I dab. Don't drag, dab. So that's an important tip. After I do my cleanser, I love a toner. I love a good toner. Obviously, you don't want to use it if you're having a sensitive skin moment, breakout, anything like that. Again, for me, Dermatology, their neutralizing toner. I love that it's a spray mist. But like I said, if you're having some sensitive skin, breakouts, stinging, burning, leave it. It's not a necessity, but it is like a carrier for your step 3, which is hydration and support. So this is where I add my hydration. Right now, I'm kind of like in the new phase of Medicube, and I'm really liking it, to be honest with you. It's their hyaluronic multipeptide serum, and you just take a little dropper full. See right there. I put it on my fingertips, and I'm just going to gently press it into my skin. You can use a simple hydration serum if you like, because the goal here is moisture and comfort, not correction. That's where people get it confused. We're not correcting here, moisture and comfort. Next step for me, my eye cream. I'm using the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Eye Cream. Just a small amount. I'll show you right here. So right there, small amount. I dab it together on my fingertips. Gently tap, no pulling, no tugging, no overworking. You can do a gentle swipe, but really just want to tap. Last but not least, we're gonna move on to the moisturizer. So this is where you wanna finish everything, and I like to seal it off with the Medicube PDRN Pink Collagen Capsule Cream, or the PDRN Hyaluronic Cream, depending on how my skin feels. I'm really liking this one right now, just because how cool does that look? It's just fun. So once this goes on, I'm essentially done for the night. But what I want to do is I want to pick up like 1 or 2 of those little capsules that are in there and then gently massage this in. Again, no actives, no exfoliating, no extra steps. Very simple, calming, healing, and again, always go down the neck. Now this routine works because it's gentle, it's consistent, it's supportive. Again, don't use these exact products if you don't have them or don't want to. Use what you have. It's just this order. And this is why your skin will do the work while you sleep. Your job is just to not get in the way. So you just want to be supportive of your skin, take good care of it. And really the takeaway here like I said, you don't need, oh, by the way, rub the excess on the back of your hands. The takeaway here is you don't need my products, these exact ones. You just need the right order, a gentle hand, and the discipline to stop. You don't need a gazillion products to accomplish great skin. I mean, here you saw me do that, and I went a little quicker than I typically do, but look at the dewiness, the glowiness from just a little routine. So please comment done when you're finished and share how your skin feels right now, because I want to know how this is working for you. And tomorrow we're going to talk about how to adjust based on what your skin is telling you. I also want to dive into the world of retinols, exfoliants, all those things that can be a little bit more active, but also reactive for your skin, and maybe not always the best if you have sensitive skin. So more of that to come. Until next time.